Welcome. How are you all? I hope you all are good like me. So, my dear students, today I will tell you a story, and when I will read the story, you all will read with me. Okay? You all will repeat the story with me. Okay? First, see what is our story. The tortoise and the hare. What is the story? The tortoise and the hare. Come on, repeat with me. The tortoise and the hare. Now, I will read the story. You all will repeat with me. Okay?
Long ago, in a forest, a small get-together of animals was taking place. Hare said, "You know what? I can beat anyone in this forest. Nobody can beat me in a forest." In the meantime, Elephant said, "Yes, I have seen him running. I bet he can beat anyone in the forest." Suddenly, from the crowd, they heard somebody laughing. Ha ha ha. Hare asked, "Why are you laughing? You think you can beat me in a race?" Tortoise replied, "I may not disagree with you, oh Mr. Hare, but I might not deny that I have no fear of competing with you." "Oh really? So let's have a race and let's see who wins." So one fine sunny day, all the animals gathered for the race. Everybody was sure that the hare is going to be a clear-cut winner. Tortoise said, "May the best man win. And that is me." "Ha ha ha ha. Now let's go, old man. I will beat you in a second," said the hare proudly. Then the race starts. The hare runs so fast that all the things on the path go for a spin. On the other hand, the tortoise is running too, but at such a pace that even snails could pass by him easily. Suddenly, the hare stops and looks behind us and says, "Oh my lord, that tortoise is going to take ages to reach this point. So let's just stop here and take some rest. By the time he reaches here, I would get good rest and then cover him up in a blink of a second." In the meanwhile, the tortoise slowly and steadily reaches the point where the hare is fast asleep. He very quietly tiptoes past the hare, and the hare is all ignorant of this fact. Suddenly, the hare gets up by the roars of the crowd, cheering up the tortoise. "Oh my lord, how is that possible? I kept on sleeping for so long that the tortoise is about to finish the race," said the hare. Then he runs and runs and runs, but to his disappointment, the tortoise just managed to finish the race before he could.
Now, here I took some sentences from the story. You all will first see the picture, then read the sentence with me. Okay? Number 1 is, "I can beat anyone in this forest." Say with me, "I can beat anyone in this forest." Read it again. "I can beat anyone in this forest." Who said this line? Who said this sentence? Yes, here. Very good. Now the second is, "So, one fine sunny day, all the animals gathered for the race." Again say with me. So, one fine sunny day, all the animals gathered for the race. Repeat it again. So, one fine sunny day, all the animals gathered for the race. Now the third one is, the hare runs so fast. Again, the hare runs so fast. Repeat with me. The hare runs so fast. Then the number 4 is, the tortoise slowly and straightly reaches the point where the hare is fast asleep. Again, the tortoise slowly and straightly reaches the point where the hare is fast asleep. Now the last sentence is, suddenly the hare gets up by the roars of the crowd cheering up the tortoise. Again, suddenly the hare gets up by the roars of the crowd cheering up by the tortoise. Repeat it again. Suddenly the hare gets up by the roars of the crowd cheering up the tortoise. Wonderful, wonderful. Now can you tell me who won the race? Yes, tortoise won the race. Wonderful, wonderful. So, here is the homework for you all. What you all will do? Read the story. Okay? Read this story again and read these sentences again. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.